me just joking. I listened to some Clarissa last night. Clarissa Pincola Estes. She is a shaman, storyteller. And now that you mentioned just joking, she said that laughter is ego breaker. So anytime you feel like you don't know what to do, try to make yourself laugh in any way possible, at least for a little bit. And it breaks your cage. It breaks your body's rigidness to change. Because if you can laugh about yourself, that's what I love to shoot shit about myself on this life. Like, oh, I'm this dirty hippie, I talk sci-fi bullshit for you guys. Why would you donate to somebody, you know? Because if you can laugh at yourself, you can basically overcome anything. You don't get attached to your ego. So, yep. So we are just joking around. Not taking this life seriously, but then again, there are things you should take seriously. And then, like, there is a little part of this life, a little part of this life that you should take very fucking seriously. And you choose what that's gonna be. But then like 95% of everything else, you just go, fuck, this is ridiculous. But the little percent, the 5% you actually take seriously, I recommend that it's your health, the people you love around you. That's basically it. Ainsley agrees. Seed says, actually, you just provided us with one hell of a lesson. Making adjustments to expected and unexpected changes. Yeah. Not sure what exactly, but yes. But yeah, I definitely did. Didn't I? This is a human design session, but it can turn into whatever. If you have human design, if you came here for human design, there is space